So what I have done meanwhile is cable between the power brick and the flight control. You see this cable here. I've cut one of the JST-GH cables and soldered that to the original cable of the power brick, and you see the cable is connected here, going through this big hole in the bottom plate and all the way through here towards the flight control. And via this I can power already the flight control, so that's working. And the next thing we do is soldering the cable for the GPS. And so I've already opened the GPS case. So you have 4 screws on the bottom side you need to open. Then you see the GPS, and it's a Mublox M8N we have in here, and here we have the connector and the cable. The cable is a bit too long, so we could cut the cable, and we need to solder a JST-GH as well. So this connector with the latch, that is the one we use on the flight control. There is an overview on dronecode.org, wiki.dronecode.org/workgroup/connectors/start, where we can check the pinout. Here on the GPS we have, so the red one is 5 volt, then we have ground, then we have yellow RXD, green is TXD, white is SDA, and orange is SCL. And that's a bit different on the GPS board, where pin 1 is 5 volt as well, but ground is on pin 6. So we need to solder then the black wire to pin 6, and everything else is shifting 1 pin on the drone code connector. We have this double-sided tape, which is included, that we're peeling off and putting at the bottom of the case. And now we can mount this on the drone. So important here is the orientation, as I've stated in an earlier video. So it should point with the cable to the back, exactly parallel to the flight control. You have here a little arrow as well. And then we put it exactly parallel to the flight control on the tower. Can attach the cable with some zip ties that way. So my cable goes like this. This port